Hello guys, in today's video, velvet nails. So I will use as a base this Semilac BB Rose on all my nails. And in here I have a little I just broke my nail. I will ignore it basically, I will just go for it. To create velvet nails you will need a magnetic gel polish and obviously a magnet, and I choose colors that have like a rose tone, so I will go for a natural look and a more dark to create more intensity with the dark purple. And I will start with the darker tone to show you the more intense effect for the velvet. On the dry gel polish I apply the magnetic one. And then I'm taking my magnet. You have to be pretty fast to not let the color stay too much there. And I'm not pointing my magnet too close to the nail, because if not, I will get like a straight line. So I'm trying to find the right distance with this magnet, because this is the one that I have. And I'm trying to move the particles in a way that it gives me this shadow and light effect. And when I'm happy I dry it in the lamp, and I decided to basically do a second layer to give more intensity, and same things, trying to fill up basically the part that I thought is missing in the first round. After it's dry I can apply top coat, and that's how she looked like. That's what we wanted to get, this beautiful amazing velvet effect. But let's repeat everything again. It seems that I'm very close to the nails, but I'm not, and also it's not as easy how it looks like. It takes a little bit of practice to learn how to work with your magnet basically. And also depends on the magnetic gel polish that you choose. Some are easier and more reactive to the magnet, and some are less. When I'm happy with the result, I'm drying in a lamp, and then I will apply top coat. And now I will show you that you can create more a softer look, basically going just with the base and directly on the dry base. I'm applying just the pure magnetic color, and you see that it's very pinky. We will get a lighter effect, but still absolutely gorgeous. I made a review of this product when it came out and I love it, but I use it actually this way, pure, and that's amazing, because I literally said back then that was literally like velvet. And now I show you, this is pretty much the distance that I keep from this magnet to my nail, which is pretty much 2.5 centimeters to get this effect, because if I get too close again I would just get a straight line. And applying my top coat when it's dry. And now I will use this cuticle oil of New Nail that I never tried using pen, and I absolutely was super curious to try it. It's already more than 1 year it came out, and I actually never tried it yet. And yeah, it wasn't come out. You have to turn till the oil is basically going down the sponge, and it was not coming out. So I was just going nuts till boom. Oh my god, that was crazy, because all the oil just came in one. There was so much oil, that was crazy. But yeah, the perfume is absolutely beautiful, and even the feeling of the oil is super pleasurable. And here are the velvet nails, guys. It's actually a very simple look when you learn how to do it, but at the beginning you have to take a little bit of practice, and again it depends on the product that you choose, the color that you choose. You have to give the combination of the colors, depends on the magnetic tone that you choose. And yeah, here we go. That's it, how it looks like with the artificial light, which is inside. And that's how it looks outside under the sun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!